Stop! Stop right there! Okay, car. Set mode to super pursuit and find me the fastest way to the docks.
No,
What do you mean, no?
don't take me for an idiot.
Fine, I'll do it myself. No. No, 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 no!
Where do you think you're going?
Come on, he's getting away!
Don't think I didn't see you checking out that other car.
What car?
That convertible with the slutty wheels.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
You know, that ratchet rust bucket that's over there.
That's not even my type! Ah!
But she has those silver rims that you like, tinted windows, those big twin exhausts. I saw you that last time, sliding across that BMW's bonnet, ducking behind her and touching her wheels.
What? I was dodging gunfire!
Any excuse to touch another car. Pathetic. You don't even take me to car meets. All you do is make me drive around all day. Why is it that every time we go to the station you make me park around the corner now? Are you ashamed of me? Is it because I'm not the latest model? I've seen this happen to other cars, but I didn't think you were the same.
Hello, Chief? Oh. Okay.
Who was that?
It was the Chief. The guy got away.
Well, if you wasn't so busy looking at other cars, then...
Look, I'm sorry. I apologize. I shouldn't have been looking. What could I possibly do for you to forgive me? I don't know. Give me the cheapest tires? Fine, give me the most expensive ones then.